Hello, everyone. It's a wonderful day. I have seen, Rocky, his growth as a designer, right from the time I first met him in, I think, 1997. And from then on, he's done such wonderful work in the business of fashion and films. And it's such a, to see your friend grow so big. And today he's launching his Pret line, which is extremely fashionable and getting basically the idea of getting fashion door to door. It's like affordable and everyone can look fashionable. And it's such a amazing tie-up with Shopper Stop. Congratulations, both, all of you. And I'm just excited to be a part of this venture for him because whatever he does, he puts in complete passion. And when you see the quality of work that he has done, whether it is the accessories or the clothes, or even I think what he has done fabulously is the men's underwear. I must say that, we have seen other brands, international brands doing really well, and most Indian men vie for that. But I think now all the Indian men will go and buy RS by Rocky Star. All the best, Rocky. I love you.
Firstly, I'd just like to say hi to everyone and congratulations, Rocky. Congratulations, Govind. I think you guys have made a good collaboration and it's going to do awesomely well. And what can I say? I'm one of the lucky ones to be the first one to wear the artist underwear. And it's right here, actually. It's, yeah. Nothing but artist touches me anymore, so I'm very honored, and it's just a pleasure to be associated with Rocky and Shopper Stop, and all the best. I'm sure it's going to do awesomely well. Thank you so much. Thank you.